Whenever it's raining or hot, how do you tell someone who's about to leave the house at the front door about the weather outside? Watch this video to make it easier. Hi, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to learn Japanese, this channel covers Japanese words and phrases which are useful and practical. So please click here to watch our previous videos. In Japan, we have 4 seasons. Within each season, there are days with high humidity or low temperatures. Here are some onomatopoeic expressions to describe such weather conditions. Mushi-mushi, mushi-mushi. In Japan, especially in Tokyo, during the summer season, the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and the humidity is very high. You will sweat all day. Mushi-mushi is a word that expresses such a hot and humid state that makes you feel suffocated. Mushi-mushi can be used like this. 外はムシムシしているので汗を拭くタオルが必要だ。外はムシムシしているので汗を拭くタオルが必要だ。That means it's really humid outside. You need to have a towel to wipe off your sweat. ジメジメ、ジメジメ。Jime-jime is used in high humidity, just like mushi-mushi. But regardless of temperature, it is simply used when it's humid and uncomfortable. An example sentence is this. ジメジメとした洞窟の中は不気味だ。ジメジメとした洞窟の中は不気味だ。That means it feels creepy inside a damp cave. ゴロゴロ、ゴロゴロ。In summer, the weather is unstable and there are frequent thunderstorms. The sounds of thunder is rumbling. When you want to tell someone that thunder is occurring by using ゴロゴロ, please say it like this. 外でゴロゴロ鳴っているよ。外出しない方が良さそう。外でゴロゴロ鳴ってるよ。外出しない方が良さそう。That means it's rumbling outside. It seems better not go out. ひんやり、ひんやり。ひんやり is a word used when the temperature is relatively low. A day that feels ひんやり in summer is cool and comfortable. While in autumn or winter, it implies a chilly day. Here's an example sentence. 外はひんやりしているので長袖を着てください。外はひんやりしているので長袖を着てください。That means it's chilly outside, so you should wear a long sleeve shirt. ポツポツ、ポツポツ。ポツポツ refers to the appearance of fine raindrops as the rain begins to fall. Usually it does not rain very hard, and relatively small raindrops fall sporadically. Please give it a try using the following sentence. 雨がポツポツ降り始めた。雨がポツポツ降り始めた。That means the rain began to fall. しとしと and パラパラ。しとしと、パラパラ。しとしと and パラパラ have almost the same meaning and express the appearance of falling raindrops quietly. However, in my opinion, their difference from ポツポツ is that I often use it when it's already raining. Let's try using it as follows. しとしとと小雨が降り続いている中、散歩した。パラパラと小雨が降り続いている中、散歩した。That means I took a walk while it was drizzling gently. Zaza. Zaza. Zaza is a word that expresses the presence of heavy rain, unlike shito shito or pots pots. If it's raining like zaza, you will definitely need an umbrella. Here's an example sentence. 外はザーザー降っているのに傘を持ってくるのを忘れてしまった。外はザーザー降っているのに傘を持ってくるのを忘れてしまった。That means I forgot to bring my umbrella even though it's raining heavily outside. カラッと。カラッと。カラッと is a word that expresses a very dry state with low humidity. カラッと alone is not enough in a sentence. Let's say カラッとしている when you want to convey the humidity is low. Furthermore, when you want to explain the humidity is low and whether it's sunny, you can say カラッと晴れている。カラッと晴れている。That means it's dry and sunny. ポカポカ。ポカポカ。It's usually cold enough to make you shiver. It was surprisingly warm and pleasant today. In such a case, let's use poka poka. As the temperature changes from winter to spring, the number of poka poka days increases. Here's an example sentence. 今日はポカポカしているのでコートは置いていこう。今日はポカポカしているのでコートは置いていこう。That means today is pleasantly warm, so let's leave my coat. ビュービュー。ビュービュー。ビュービュー is a word to describe strong windy conditions. Imagine a day when strong wind blows through, shaking the trees, making the leaves dance in the air. Biu-biu days will surely make you not want to go outside. Here's an example sentence. 風がビュービューで傘が飛ばされた。風がビュービューで傘が飛ばされた。That means the wind was howling and the umbrella got blown away. That's it for today. How was your learning experience? Was it easy or did it take some time to understand? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Just by using onomatopes you have learned today, you can understand the weather condition easily. So try using them every day. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please make sure to turn on the notification bell if you wish to be notified for more brand new lesson videos. If you do that, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。